Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to register your incorporated trustees or NGO in the newly upgraded CAC registration portal. Now, sequel to the last video I made on the 9 things you need to know about the new CAC registration portal, I got quite a number of persons asking me that they cannot see how to register their NGOs or incorporated trustees in the new portal. Okay, we've discovered how you can do that. There was a little change. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to go about that. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to sign up if you don't have an account with the CAC. For you to sign up, all you need to do is just to click on this sign up button and just follow the sign up process. It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, the only thing you need to do is that you need to input your active email address. CAC is going to send a confirmation code to that email address. You click the confirmation link, sorry, not code, a link, and then it's going to give you the opportunity to have your own registration portal open. But remember that when you are opening a new account, it is only your own registration that has to be on it. You cannot do a registration for another person on your own account, okay? So for those of us that already have our account, all you need to do is to log in, of course. You're going to click on this place. It's to bring you up to this point. You want to choose either your username, email address, phone number, or your accredited number. Okay, so I'm going to be signing in with my own email address, and then I'm going to click on login. A confirmation code is going to be sent to my email inbox. It takes only 1 minute before it expires, so make sure that you have your email handy. I have my own already. I'm going to impute the code, and then I'm going to click on submit, and it's going to log me into my new portal. So this is what your portal look like. I already made 2 videos on what you need to know about this new portal. So if you're still confused about this interface, check the videos in the description below this video. I have 2 videos there that you must see if you're still having confusion over how to handle this new portal. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Now in this video, like I said, you want to register an NGO or incorporated trustees registration. If you come here and you click on new reservation, you will notice that you are not going to see anything that looks like incorporated trustees here, because this is not the point where you do that. So what you want to do is that you want to come to this name requiring consent. Okay, you're going to click on the name requiring consent, and it's going to bring you up here. And then you can see here that you have apply for consent here. So you're going to click on the apply for consent. And then if you come back to this business classification and click on it, now you can see that you have incorporated trustees added, to the list of the business classification that you can register for. And then you can come here and just choose incorporated trustees again. And reason, you're going to say new incorporation and registration, as you can see here. So that is how to do that. But what is going to happen in this case now is that you have to apply for consent. Okay, so you can see here, do you want to start a new consent application for new incorporation? If it is, you say yes, start my application. Okay, and then you're going to wait a little bit. It's going to bring you here, and then you can just start the registration. So you can see that here you're going to fill in these forms here. You're going to fill in your constitution, the aim and the objective of your incorporated trustees. You're going to fill in your trustees information. You're going to upload your document. You're going to preview it, and then you're going to make your payment. So this is how to go about registering an NGO or incorporated trustees in the new CAC portal. Of course, if you have been doing this before, the processes are almost the same thing. But then I am not going to be doing the full registration now, because as at the time of doing this recording, I am not still very comfortable with the way the portal is working. So I don't want to just start until I'm sure that things are working fine. But if you have not been doing it, it's either you watch some of my old videos on how to register an NGO, or you wait for me to create a brand new video on how to register NGO, which is going to be dropping very soon as I'm comfortable with the portal. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get to see that video if you have not yet subscribed. But meanwhile, please like this video and help me share it so that more persons that need information like this can get to see it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.